In this video, we'll go over how to set up a shortcut control on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 or Garmin Venu. Shortcut is the one swipe access to your most favorite control. So in order to access this, you just swipe to the right. Now the first time doing this, you'll have a message indicating how to set one up, and then you would swipe up. But here we've already set one up here, and now what we can do, we can change this one command or shortcut to something else. So what we're going to do is going to press and hold the back button until we get our controls, shortcut settings. So we'll just tap on that. And then from here is very simple. All you have to do is go through the list and pick your most favorite control. So in this case, the most favorite control I would use would be a stopwatch. And there you go, and that's it. So now when you hit back, you want quick access to the stopwatch, right there. Simple as that. That is how you can set up a shortcut on your Garmin Vivoactive 4 or Garmin Venu.